Class 12 Electrostatic Potential. This is totally numerical class. My channel name is Physics for All by Joyanto sir. Like and subscribe it to get the notification of future video. তড়িৎ বিভবের ওপর এটা টোটালি নিউমেরিক্যাল ক্লাস করব। ক্লাস 12 এর সিলেবাস, ক্লাস 12. This is totally numerical class on electrostatic potential বা তড়িৎ বিভবের ওপর সম্পূর্ণভাবে নিউমেরিক্যালের ক্লাস হবে। Question number 1. Find the electric field between two metal plates 3 millimeter apart connected to 12-volt battery. Very interesting question. Two metal plates connected to 12-volt ব্যাটারি। 12-volt ব্যাটারি অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই ব্যাটারিটা এই মেটাল প্লেটের ইনসাইডে যে রিজিয়নটা আছে এখানে একটা ইউনিফর্ম ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড তৈরি করবে এবং মেটাল প্লেটের একটা যেহেতু ব্যাটারি পজিটিভের সাথে কানেক্টেড আর একটা নেগেটিভের সাথে কানেক্টেড, তাই এর মাঝখানে যে পোটেনশিয়াল ডিফারেন্স হবে সেটা হচ্ছে 12 ভোল্ট। আর এই ডিস্টেন্সটা বলে দিয়েছে 3 মিলিমিটার অ্যাপার্ট। দ্য ডিস্টেন্স ইজ 3 মিলিমিটার, দ্যাট ইজ 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. This is the distance. আমরা জানি ইউনিফর্ম ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড হলে E এবং V এর মধ্যে রিলেশন হচ্ছে E সমান সমান V বাই ডিস্টেন্স। তুমি যদি এটাকে R দিয়ে লেখো R আর যদি D দিয়ে লেখো D, আমি D দিয়ে লিখছি E equal to V by D. That is E equal to V হচ্ছে 12 আর D হচ্ছে 3 into 10 to the power minus 3। এটার ইউনিট ভোল্ট, এটার ইউনিট মিটার, দ্যাট ইজ এটার ইউনিট ভোল্ট পার মিটার বা নিউটন পার কুলম্ব, যেটা ফিল্ডের ইউনিট সেটাও লিখতে পারো। দ্যাট ইজ 4 into 10 cube ভোল্ট পার মিটার বা ভোল্ট মিটার টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস 1। নেক্সট হচ্ছে ক্যালকুলেট দ্য ভোল্টেজ নিডেড। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, ক্যালকুলেট দ্য ভোল্টেজ নিডেড to balance an oil drop carrying charge of 10 electron when located between the plates of a capacitor which are 5 millimeter apart, taking G 10 meter second to the power minus 2. The mass of oil drop 3 into 10 to the power minus 16. 3 into 10 to the power minus 16 kg. I repeat, calculate the voltage needed to balance an oil drop carrying a charge of 10 electrons when located between the plates of a capacitor. দুটো আমরা ক্যাপাসিটর নিয়ে আলোচনা করিনি, ক্যাপাসিটর নিয়ে আলোচনা করব এর পরের ভিডিওতে। ক্যাপাসিটর অ্যাকচুয়ালি দুটো মেটাল প্লেট যার ভেতরে রিজিয়নে একটা ইউনিফর্ম ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড তৈরি হয়। দ্যাট ইজ ক্যাপাসিটরের ইনসাইডে ই ভি এবং ক্যাপাসিটরের দুটো প্লেটের মধ্যে ডিসটেন্সের মধ্যে এই রিলেশনটা এক্সিস্ট করে, এটা জানতে হবে। বিটুইন দ্য প্লেটস অফ এ ক্যাপাসিটর হুইচ আর 5 মিলিমিটার অ্যাপার্ট, দ্য মাস অফ অয়েল ড্রপ ইজ 3 into 10 to the power minus 16 kg. Think logically. This is very easy. This is the plate of the capacitor which is connected to the positive plate of the battery. This is positive, this is negative. This is the direction of electric field. 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 This is the direction of electric field this is the oil drop of mass m, weight mg. Actually, it is directed to downward, the weight of the oil drop. It has let the charge on the oil drop Q equal to Ne. The charge of electron is negative, so it feels a force opposite to the electric field. যেহেতু ইলেকট্রনটা নেগেটিভ চার্জ আছে, সুতরাং অয়েল ড্রপের টোটাল চার্জ কিউ এটা নেগেটিভ, সুতরাং এটা ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ডের উল্টো দিকে একটা ফোর্স ফিল করবে, ফোর্স এফ ইকুয়াল টু কিউ ইন্টু ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড। এবার অয়েল ড্রপটাকে যদি ওয়েটটাকে ব্যালেন্স করতে হয় তাহলে কন্ডিশনটা হচ্ছে কিউ, এই কন্ডিশনের উপর আমরা এর আগে অঙ্ক করেছি, ইকুয়াল টু এমজি। জাস্ট রিপ্লেস কিউ বাই এন ই। এন হচ্ছে নাম্বার অফ ইলেকট্রনস ইন দ্য অয়েল ড্রপ, ই হচ্ছে চার্জ অফ ইলেকট্রন ইনটু ই। দিস ইজ রিপ্লেসড বাই ভি বাই ডি, because inside the plates of a capacitor there is a uniform electric field. In case of uniform electric field, the relation between electric field and potential E equal to V by D, where D is the distance between the plates and V is the potential difference between the plates. That is, you should replace it by V by D equal to mg. Now I have to find the calculate the voltage V. So the V will be V equal to mgd by mgd by Ne. Now replace the values. M equal to, it is given the mass of the oil drop 3 into 10 to the power minus 16 kg. 3 into 10 to the power minus 16 kg. Take G, it is advised 10 into distance. The distance between the plates is 5 millimeter. That is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Number of electrons in the oil drop, 10 electrons into charge of 1 electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Cancel 10, just wait for a second. I have to use the calculator to calculate it. 10 to the power minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 10 to the power minus 19 to 10 to the power plus 19, that is 10 to the power 10. No need of calculation. This is minus 16, sorry, this is minus 16, minus 16, minus 16, minus 3, minus 19, minus 19, cancel out, 10 cancel, that is 3 into 10 to the power 5, 3 into 5 by 1.6. .37, I got the answer. Here is the answer is 9.47. I got 9.37. Checked it. 3 into 5, that is 15 divided by 1.6. I have 9.37. I write it 9.37 volt. That will be the voltage needed to balance the oil drop inside the. That is the voltage needed to balance the oil drop inside the plates of a capacitor. Next, very interesting question. Follow it. I just removing it. Next question. If the potential in the region of space around the point minus 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter is given by V equal to such a equation is given. I write the equation volt. Calculate the three components of electric field at that point. I repeat, if the potential in the region of space around the point -1 meter, the point is denoted as -1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter, is given by V equal to, the potential V is denoted by that equation, 10x square plus 5y square, 10x square plus 5y square plus minus 3z square, z square, 3z square. This is the equation of potential around that point. Calculate the three components of electric field, that is you have to calculate Ex, that is the potential around directed x-axis, Ey, and potential, this is not potential, this is field around directed around x-axis, field directed towards y-axis positive, and Ez, this is the field directed towards z-axis. We have to find that. We know Ex equal to minus del V del x, this is partial derivation, del V del x, Ex equal to minus del V del x, that is minus del x of V equal to 10x square, 5y square minus 3z square. In case of partial derivation, you just derivate the x term, all other terms are treated as constant. This is the law. You have to derivate only the x term in the derivation. This is treated as constant, this will be treated as constant. So the derivation is minus 10 x square, this is 2x, plus when derivation of y square, if it is constant, the result will be 0, this result will be 0. This is much so easy. That is minus 20x. You have to find the electric field at this point, so put x equal to minus 1, that is Ex. At x equal to minus 1 point, you will get the value, this is minus 20 into 1, 20 volt. 20 volt meter to the power minus 1. This will be the electric field towards positive x-axis at the point minus 1 meter. Now we have to find the second component, Ey. I write the result because I have to explain something more. Ex equal to 20 volt per meter to the power minus 1. Next, Ey, removing it. Ey, that is electric field towards y-axis, Ey equal to minus del V of del y, del V del y, that is minus del y of V equal to 10x square, treated as constant because you are derivating with respect to y in partial derivation. All other terms except in this case y will be treated as constant, 10x square plus 5y square minus 3z square. It is also treated as constant. The derivation of this and this will be 0, that is minus 5 into 2y, that is minus 10y. You have to find Ey at the point y equal to 2 meter, that is putting y equal to 2, that is minus 20 volt meter to the power minus 1. This is the y component of the voltage, that is EY, minus 20 volt meter to the power minus 1. Now we have to find the Z component of the field, that is Ez. That will be minus del Z of V, that is minus del Z of 10x square taken as constant, because you are derivating with respect to Z, plus in partial derivation 5y square, this will be 0 minus 3z square, only this will have to be derivated, that is minus this is 0 minus plus 3 into 2z, that is equal to 6z. You have to find the Ez at the point Z equal to 3 meter, that is Ez will be 6 into 3, 80 volt meter to the power minus 1. This is the component of electric field towards positive Z axis. Now if you have to find the total potential, total electric field at that point, then you have to write the vector form. We get Ez equal to 18 volt meter to the power minus 1. Then E vector, that is total electric field, equal to Ex. This is towards positive x axis, that is Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. That is total electric field is represented by total electric field will be represented by, just wait, E vector will be Ex I cap, that is 20 I cap plus Ey minus 20, it will be minus 20 j cap plus Ez হচ্ছে 18, that is 18 k cap. If you find the magnitude of electric field at that point, E equal to root over of, this is the knowledge from class 11, 20 square plus minus 20 square plus 18 square, which will be the you are using a calculator, I can get the result. Just take that time limit. This is okay. More time we have to complete. Next question. Very interesting question. 3 charges minus q, minus small q, plus q and minus q. Minus small q, plus q and minus small q are placed at equal distance on a straight line. If the potential energy of the system of 3 charge is 0, find the ratio of capital Q by small q. Removing it. Three charges minus q, plus q, minus q, minus small q, plus q, plus capital Q and minus q are placed at the distance, are placed at equal distance on a straight line. Equal distance, that is, if it is r, this will be also r, and giving that given that if the potential energy of the system of three charges is 0, total potential of energy of the system is 0, then find the ratio between capital Q by small q. You have to find the ratio of capital Q by small q. I am calculating the total energy of the system, that is this and this, this and this, and this and this, and you have to add it to get the total energy of the system. Electric potential energy U equal to Q1 Q2 by R into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 in SI system and in air or vacuum. So the total energy of the system will be, I am taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 as a common factor outside the bracket. Now between this and this, you have to consider the positive and negative charge in that case, because the energy is a scalar quantity, that is minus QQ by R between this and this. Between this and this, plus Q square by 4R square. Between this and this, minus the between first we calculate between this and this, minus QQ by R, then this and this, minus Q plus Q square by 2R square, 4R square, sorry, QQ by 2R, very sorry. Next, between this and this, between 1 and 2, Q square, then this and that is minus QQ by R, total equal to 0. Taking R outside the bracket, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by R, that is minus QQ minus 2QQ plus Q square by 2. This is equal to 0. Taking this side, and total form will be 0 by deleting this. Just wait. That is minus 2QQ plus Q square by 2 equal to 0. Taking this side, Q square by 2 equal to minus 2, plus, so it will be plus 2QQ. Deleting this, that is, and cancelling one small q, Q equal to 4 capital Q, that is capital Q by small q equal to 1:4. This is the answer. Next question. Two point charge of 0.2 microcoulomb and 0.01 microcoulomb are placed at 10 cm apart. Calculate the work done reducing the distance to 5 cm. I repeat, two positive point charge 0.2 microcoulomb and 0.1 microcoulomb are placed at 10 cm apart. Calculate the work done in reducing the distance to 5 cm. In first case, two charges Q1 and Q2. The value is given, Q1 equal to Q2 charges Q1 equal to 0.2 microcoulomb, that is 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and Q2 equal to 0.01 0.01 microcoulomb, that is 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. They are at 10 centimeter apart. In first case Q1 and Q2 at a distance of r equal to 10 centimeter, that is 10 by 100 meter, that is 10 to the power minus 1 meter. And the potential energy of the system will be Q1 initial potential energy, Q1 Q2 by, if it is R1 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is the potential energy of the system. First case. In second case, the distance is reducing to 5 centimeter. This is changes to a 5 centimeter distance. Q1 Q2, they are taken close to each other, Q1 and Q2. Now the distance is r equal to 5 centimeter, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. In case of second case, the energy is Q1 Q2 by, if it is taken R2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. As the distance reduced, the total energy is increased. In second case, the electric potential energy is more than in the case of first one. So the change of electric potential energy, that is the increase in electric potential energy, will be the work done to taken the charge closer to each other. That is the work done. W will be U2 minus U1, calculating, and you will get the result 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 for joule. You have to calculate it and take out the result. If you don't find it, connect with my WhatsApp number 98310 It is my WhatsApp number. You can connect with me anytime if required. I think I have to do another question. Two electrons are moving with a velocity of 10 to the power 6 meter second to the power minus 1 are released towards each other. What will be the closest distance of approach between them? Two electrons each moving with a velocity 10 to the power 6 meter per second are released towards each other. What will be the, each with velocity of 10 to the power 6 meter per second are released towards each other. What will be the closest distance of approach between them? Interesting question. Two electrons are moving with a velocity of 10 to the power 6 meter. Two electrons, E and E. Actually, this is minus E and minus E, the charge of the electron, moving with a velocity of 10 to the power 6 meter per second towards each other. 10 to the power 6 meter per second towards each other. Released towards each other. What will be the closest distance of approach? What will be the closest distance of approach? When the electrons will be stopped, because both have negative charge, so when they moving towards, there will be a repulsive force to each other, and that will decrease their velocity. As a result, somehow at a distance taken as r, they will be stopped. What will be the closest distance? I think this is from the we can calculate the answer from the conservation of energy. At a distance of r, they will have some electric potential energy that will be equal to the kinetic energy of the both of the electrons. If it is V and the mass of electron is m, and m, both electron have kinetic energy half mv square plus half mv square. This is the total kinetic energy they have at the time of starting. When they stop, they will have no kinetic energy, but they will have some amount of electric potential energy, which is in turn coming from the kinetic energy. That is, this kinetic energy plus this kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy of the system at that time when they are stopped at a distance r from each other. That is the potential energy Q1 Q2 minus C by distance r into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. You have to calculate the distance r from the calculation. I calculated it. That is half mv square plus half mv square, that is mv square, equal to minus e square by r into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. We have to calculate the distance r, taken r this side, r equal to e square by mv square into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Putting the value of each term, we get r equal to e square. The charge of electron not giving, I take it 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, that square. Mass of the electron also not given, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. The velocity is given, it is 10 to the power 6, that is 10 to the power 6 square, and this is 9 into 10 to the power 9, the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Allow me some time to calculate. 1.6 into 10 to the power 1.6 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9. That is, I have to calculate the 10 to the power, this is 10 to the power minus 38. That is 10 to the power minus 38 plus 9 plus 31. This is 10 to the power 6 square, 10 to the power 12. This will be negative, minus 10 to the power 12. And we have just 1.6 square by, all are given into 9.